नहीं आइए ना आइए। हाँ प्लीज प्लीज प्लीज। हाँ यू आर गोइंग टू प्रेजेंट समथिंग मैम। लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, ये मंच, ये महफिल बड़ी शान और बान शान के साथ हमारे बीच एक ऐसी शख्सियत जो आपको सिखाएंगे आपकी ज़िंदगी की सारी समस्याओं को हर लेने के लिए। थोड़ी देर पहले कालजी जी ने जिस तरीके से हमें और आपको एंटरटेन किया, उसी तरीके से मैडम आपका जिनेबी और मैम हमारे पीछे आ चुकी, तो गड़गड़ाते हुए तालियों के साथ एंड शी इज गोइंग टू टीच कि हाउ टू मेक मनी। यदि मुंबई में रहने के बाद आपकी पूर्ति नहीं हुई, मतलब इफ यू आर इनकम्प्लीट इन टर्म्स ऑफ मनी, तो ये फाइनेंशियल कैपिटल सिटी हमारे देश का यदि आपको समृद्ध नहीं कर चुका है, तो मैम हैज कम एंड शी इज गोइंग टू डिलीवर द बेस्ट लेक्चर फॉर अस। तो हम चाहेंगे आपकी जोरदार तालियों के साथ एक बार फिर मैम को प्रेजेंट किया जाए। और थोड़ी देर में अवार्ड का एक बड़ा ही प्रोग्राम होने वाला है, बड़े बड़े बॉलीवुड के स्टार आ चुके हैं और मैम को सबसे पहले सुनते हैं। मैम ये मंच आपकी और महफिल पे आप।
Good evening, everybody. Now I'll talk to you from here. I have been teaching Feng Shui the last 25 years, Vastu and Feng Shui. I want to know, आपको क्या सीखना है आज? ये जो 5 मिनट है, what do you want to know? Okay, no, but what is it that you really want, which is important? I'll give you 5 or 10 super tips. आप लिख के रखिए, and it will really make your life work. Okay, the first thing is that आपका जो दरवाजा है, the house of your main door should be a single door, opening clockwise and inwards. समझ आया? एक दरवाजा होना चाहिए, 2 दरवाजा मत बनाएंगे। आपके घर पे नेम प्लेट है जो नाम है, do you have a name plate? क्या नाम है? नहीं, आपको पूछ रही है, नहीं है नेम प्लेट घर पे। आपका नेम प्लेट है, नेम प्लेट का नंबर जो नाम होता है दरवाजे पे। If you don't have a name plate, money doesn't come to you. You don't have a name plate, energy doesn't move towards you. So the first thing you need, एक छोटा सा नेम प्लेट, you put it at an upward slant. जो slant ऊपर होता है ना, have your name plate at an upward slant. दूसरी चीज़ कि आपका घर का जो दरवाज़ा है, रात को you must have a light on at night. Don't keep your light closed outside your window at night. जो आपके पैसे का कबर्ड है, मनी कबर्ड, नॉर्थ ईस्ट फेस होना चाहिए, नॉर्थ फेस होना चाहिए। नॉर्थ को हम कुबेर बोलते हैं। इफ योर तिजोरी फेसेस नॉर्थ, मनी विल कीप फ्लोइंग। प्लीज ट्राई इट आउट। दीज आर वेरी 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 स्मॉल थिंग्स बट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। डू नॉट स्लीप, सिट और वर्क अंडर बीम्स। आपको पता है बीम्स और कॉलम्स क्या है? व्हाट इज अ बीम? A beam is a load-bearing thing above your head. If you sleep with beams, you're going to get headaches, you're going to get cancer, you're going to get tumors. Please don't sit, sleep or work under beams. Beams are very, very, very dangerous things. Make sure that you never, never, never sit or sleep under beams. Namaste. Be very, very, very careful. Those that want to make money, ask me questions and I'll also answer them. Okay? In your bedroom, कोई भी सिंगल चीज मत रखिए। एक जन का फोटो, सिंगल फोटो नो। Always have everything in pairs. No cushion, no fans. In your bedrooms, if you want harmony, no using peach color. Peach color means आपका husband wander करता है. Be very careful not to use the color peach in bedrooms. Okay? It's a very, very, very dangerous color. Now you ask me what are the questions I can answer for you. You have any questions? आपको कुछ भी पूछना है?
Money.
Money.
Money should be.
Where should you keep money? Money you should keep facing north. North कुबेर है. North जगह है जो कुबेर है. Have your money cupboards facing north. Okay? If you are sick, जो बीमार होते हैं, don't have your toes facing south. South को हम यमा कहते हैं. South west to make the yama sleep. So don't sleep with your toes to the south. Very very important. And don't sleep with your toes. Suppose ये दरवाजा है bedroom का. Don't lie down with your toes to the bedroom. door. Are you with me? Got your answers? Is there anything you'd like to know? Anyone, any questions? I can teach you 24 hours. I teach all the time, certainly. Anything else anyone would like to, apart from money, what do you want to know? Money is a state of mind. If you decide and think you are rich, whatever you think every night and every morning, that is going to happen in your life. अगर आपने सोच लिया है कि I'm not going to be rich, you're not going to be rich. It's very important your thought process. When you sleep in the night, first thought जो रात को सोते हैं, it's so nice to sleep. Please come in front. Right? First thing what you think of in the night, आपको कुछ चाहिए. आपको क्या चाहिए? You tell me. आपको क्या चाहिए? शांति कोई चीज नहीं है. शांति is a state of mind. Okay?
Money should be realistic way.
Okay.
Should
So
be
suppose
deposited.
आपके लिए realistic क्या है? 1 lakh.
Yes.
Okay. So every night you have to think before going to sleep. This is what I want. Every morning, the first thing you get up, you have to again imagine that. What time, for instance, what time did you get up? Okay. So 5:59 you are in Titha level. Titha level is a state where everything happens. So every night and every morning you keep thinking whatever you want. The moment you repeat it again and again and again and again, Hello. Thank you, Ijaz. Okay. Any other questions? Yeah, tell me.
How to keep the
Hello.
flow of positive thoughts continuous and avoid negative thoughts?
There's only one way, by being with good people, being with close people, with being positive people. There's no other way. Your mind has to be firm, stay away from negativity, and gratefulness is the way. Be thankful to the universe for what it has given you. Because if God gave you a chance and put everyone's problems in the middle, believe me, you would pick up your own. You would only pick up your own. There is so much more pain in the world. So you have no right to be negative and you have no right to be ungrateful. Ungratefulness is just gratefulness for what you have. Make a gratefulness diary. Write down 5 good things. Whenever you are negative or in depression, write down 5 good things that have happened in the day. The moment you write down 5 things, in 10 days it will be 50 things. And as you increase, it's like God saying wow, and He's happy that you told Him. You know, if you pat a dog, the next time he'll come faster and wag his tail. Or if your child pulls your dress and says, give me a chocolate, you give and she gives you a hug. Next time you're going to buy her 2 chocolates. So that same gratefulness we need to the universe and to God for everything. Any other questions?
One more question here.
How to increase your concentration level?
Okay, concentration level, don't sit under a beam. If you sit with your back to an open door in an office, concentration doesn't happen. And concentration is a training that you get from childhood. The way you are brought up, if you're brought up with discipline, if you haven't, then start becoming disciplined. Okay, you have to work towards it. There's no shortcuts in life. No Vastu Feng Shui cure, okay, I'll put this. I have a lot of people who tell me, I'll put a meditation pyramid for my children and they'll start studying. There are no shortcuts in life. Feng Shui or Vastu is only they make the roads smoother. The jana aapko hi hai. You have to go, you have to drink the water. No one can make it smoother.
Ma'am, one more question in the back.
Are we living in this heaven? And how?
No, that's not a question. What is your question?
Yes, yes.
No, yours is a philosophy. What is your question? Tell me about your life. The question that you're asking me, are we living in a heaven, means your life is hell. So now tell me, what is the hell in your life? What is it that you're not happy about?
Then how could I be in the heaven?
How could you make your life a heaven?
Yeah.
So what is happening now?
Stress.
About what?
About worriness about money.
About
worriness about money.
And what else?
That is not getting you.
And money, what is the second thing?
This is first thing, no?
Okay, second thing,
Second thing is peace.
No. About peace, with whom are you not peaceful?
Money and peace.
No, with whom are you not peaceful?
With
With
family.
your wife.
With
So
family.
that's what I wanted to know. Now, who in the family?
Wife and children.
Okay. So one thing, remember the woman is Lakshmi. Okay, from times immemorial. Okay, the woman wore in Vastu a jhumka. She wore payals. Wherever she went, money followed. Okay. So believe me, in my 25 years, when I started 25 years ago, this 10 people, I did the same thing, everything was wonderful. But that one home, nothing happened and it used to irritate me. So I went to one teacher, second teacher, third. I thought maybe I didn't learn enough. Till finally, one Vastu Guru of mine taught me. He said, go back to that house and ask him which woman he has abused. For me, it was a passion. I phoned the gentleman. He said, would you come and do my house? I took that as an excuse. I sat with him and I asked him, which woman has cursed you and it is you are not happy about? So the moment he told me that, and my guru told me what to tell him, if the person has passed away, ask for forgiveness. The moment you make the woman happy, woman is the money in your life. Not necessarily your wife, whichever woman is in your life.
Definitely.
The woman is the Lakshmi. So please do not, if you want money, it's called in Chinese, it's called the yin energy. In India, it's called Mata. It's the procreation. Even Shivji is Ardhanarishwar without his wife. Okay? So you have to make your wife. So if you're making your wife happy, money will be a byproduct. Hard work and money will be a byproduct. Have you said a kind word to your wife in the last 10 years? Anything nice to her? Even one thing? Go home today.
Yes.
Genuinely, if she's made tea well, thank her for the tea. If she is made is it? Sorry, just respecting the gentleman. So today I want you to go home to your wife, take her 2 flowers, okay? And please thank her for one good thing that has been done. The moment there's gratefulness in the universe, everything else is a byproduct. Everything will follow. Deepak, please sit. I'm very happy to have you. So please, all you people who talked about money, and money was not his issue. Not making the woman happy is the issue. Believe me, after 25 years, the secret of happiness is to keep the women, whether it's a sister, mother in the house. The mother is the Lakshmi. Please wear payals, women, wherever you walk, money comes in. Money is not only money. For some people, their children are their wealth. What is wealth to you? Children. What is wealth to you? Children. No, not because I said children. Now everybody's saying. What is actually wealth to you?
Yes.
What is wealth for you? What is wealth for you? Money.
Yeah.
What is?
Hello, ma'am. Zenobia, ma'am.
Yeah.
For me, health is wealth.
Yeah. Now 1 minute. See, for everyone, wealth is different. Each and every person.
For me, good health is the utmost.
Yeah. For this lady, because she's unwell, you know what is wealth for her?
Health.
She said health is a wealth. We take everything for granted. Till God gives you an illness and then you will... can I have a chair here? One chair. Can I have one chair here? I just wanted for Deepak. Deepak, I want you here. Please come.
Hello, ma'am. I just went to your stall and they told me you were giving a lecture here, so I came running. I didn't even know where the injury was.
Okay. Yeah, take one final question, ma'am. Share, tell me. Health is wealth. उनके सवाल को ले लीजिए उसके बाद सर ओह सर जब सब शुरू हो गई यहाँ पे जी चुके हैं पधार चुके हैं
Sir, we'd like your name, sir.
Prem Kumar.
sir.
Thank you. सवाल तो पूछिए ये
Okay, that's so wonderful. What is wealth for you?
Happiness for all.
Wonderful. But you have to be happy if you want others to be happy. Any other last question? Anybody has? Yeah?
The sense of being satisfied with your life, whatever God has given.
You're answering the question. Do you have any other question to
So you have to be always satisfied with whatever you have. Otherwise, you go on creeping whole your life.
Does anybody have any other question like we did bathroom, we did money? Any other question about yourself? Something that's bothering you? Okay, I'll just explain what we did from the beginning. North is where you face your money cupboard. Make money, keep it facing north. It's Kuber, it'll always work for you. Single door opening clockwise inwards. Please don't make double doors, you'll have double problems in your life. Don't have singles in the bedroom. Singles and threes means relationship problems. Don't put metal under your bed. Please don't put metal under where you sleep. You will definitely have a lot of, and since your stars are here, the most important thing is activate your south wall. South wall is name, fame, recognition. Put your pictures, put your trophies, have a ticking clock. These are very, very important. Any question for you, Deepak? Anything that you want to know?
लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, थोड़ी सी रुकावट होगी, मैम बहुत शांति की बात कर रही हैं. आई कैन कंटिन्यू मैम इफ यू परमिट मी, इफ यू अलाउ मी. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, केयर वर्ल्ड, हमें आपकी फिक्र है, हमें आप सबों की फिक्र है, और ये मंच, ये प्लेटफॉर्म आप सबों का बहुत स्वागत करती है, बहुत सम्मान करती है, क्योंकि ये सम्मान की शाम है. ज्ञान सारी इन्फॉर्मेशन यहाँ से बांटे जा रहे हैं. हमारे और आपके जीवन की शांति की दशा और जीवन को बदलने के सारे दर्शन थोड़ी देर पहले हमारे बीच हमारी मैम बता रही. लेकिन इससे पहले कि बहुत सारी बातों को यहाँ पे रखा जाए, आप सबको जरूर बताऊं कि फिल्म इंडस्ट्री की बहुत ही मशहूर कलाकार, म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर और बहुत बड़े बड़े गणमान्य हस्ती हमारे इस महफिल में पहुंच चुके हैं. तो मैं चाहूंगी कि सबसे पहले जोरदार तालियों से ये महफिल सज उठे दुल्हन की तरह, जैसे दिलीप सेन साहब के संगीत खनकते थे. जोरदार तालियों के साथ नन अदर देन दिलीप सेन साहब. वेरी ग्रेट.